In this section, we will have our first introduction to Xcode project. Create a new Xcode project. Open a Xcode on your computer from your application folder or launchpad. Click on Xcode. You should see the following launch window after you open Xcode. Click on Create a new Xcode project. Select a template for your new project. Under iOS, select a application app. Previously, it is a single view application. Select the type of application you wish to develop, such as app, document based, or game. So now select app under iOS, click on next. Product name of your application, as it will appear in the App Store and appear on the device when you install it. The product name must be at least 2 characters and not more than 250 bytes. Theme. In theme drop down menu, set it as none. If you have a developer account, choose it developer theme from menu. Organization identifier. This is a reverse domain name that uniquely identifies your application in app stores. Choose something like com.organization-name.application name. Bundle identifier is a uniquely identified single application throughout the system. Typically, we use a reverse DNS format for bundle ID. Bundle IDs are case sensitive. Interface. You can choose Storyboard, UIKit, or SwiftUI. I am choosing SwiftUI. Language. You can choose between building an application with Object-C or Swift language. Use core data. This adds some default code to your application to interact with the core data. The same goes for host in CloudKit and include unit testing. We won't use any core data or testing in this tutorial. We will cover in next videos. Click on next. So you would like to store your project, choose desktop or document folder. Source control. If you want Git repository on your Mac, choose source control, otherwise uncheck it. Click on create, then your project is created successfully.